What's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I do a protein treatment. And so I figure, like in a lot of my videos in the past, I'm always trying to give tips and everything, but I never really show you guys actually what I do and what I use. And so also another thing, my hair is really dry all the time, and I've been focusing so much on moisture. I want to make sure that I'm not neglecting the protein part of it. So as you probably guessed, my protein treatment of choice is going to be the Aphogee two-step protein treatment. And the reason why they call it two-step is just because you do the protein part first, and then after that you have to follow up with a moisturizing conditioner. They recommend using their moisturizing conditioner, which is what I'm going to use in this video. But I've done it using just another moisturizing conditioner that I have on my own, so it's kind of like your choice. What you start off doing is you wash your hair first, and they recommend using the Aphogee shampoo. I don't have any of that, so I'm just going to use one of my shampoos that I have. The only thing is, do not try to get away with just co-washing your hair for this. Your hair needs to actually be all the way clean. Anytime you're going to do a treatment like this, you want your hair to be completely clean, so use a real shampoo. It probably would even be better if you use a clarifying shampoo. I don't have that, so I'm just going to use a regular shampoo, but definitely something that's really going to clean your hair. So like I said, the first step is to shampoo your hair, and then you towel dry your hair, and then you apply the protein. And I'm going to just go wash my hair right now, and then I'll come back and show you guys how I apply the protein treatment. Okay, so I'm back. So my hair has been shampooed, and I'm just going to read you what this actually says. Two-step protein treatment stops hair breakage, rebuilds structure for 6 weeks. Ideal for color treated hair, relaxed or permed hair. This is good for natural hair as well. Helps stop breakage on even badly damaged hair when used as directed. Shake well before use. That's very important because this kind of settles. Gently cleanse hair with Aphogee shampoo for damaged hair. Rinse thoroughly and towel blot dry. Apply enough Aphogee treatment to thoroughly saturate hair, and comb blend through with a wide tooth comb for even distribution. Leave hair uncovered. Do not use a plastic cap. Sit under medium heat dryer with high airflow. Alternatively, a hand dryer may be used, but hair should not be agitated while drying. When Aphogee treatment is dried into the hair becomes extremely hard. Do not comb or brush hair. When the Aphogee treatment is dried and in the hair, wet and gently rinse thoroughly with warm water to remove all excess dried protein, and towel dry. Then follow up with the balancing moisturizer, basically. So yeah, definitely shake this up. And I will tell you, this stuff is messy. It doesn't, if you've never done this before, seriously, it's some messy stuff. It doesn't feel like conditioner or anything like that. It's liquid, but it's sticky and it's messy. I'm gonna try something different than what I usually use. It's kind of hard to distribute as well, so I just happen to have another or extra color applicator at my house. So this is just, I already put that in there. I'm just gonna pour it in this and see if it makes it easier to distribute. And also, like, it keeps stressing that it helps badly damaged hair. Don't wait till your hair gets damaged before you use this. I would just say, it says it repairs it for up to 6 weeks. Just do it every 6 weeks if possible, or you can do a little longer, 12 weeks or whatever the case may be. But I wouldn't wait. If you wanted your hair to grow and be healthy, I wouldn't wait till it's damaged to use this. I would just keep doing it because everybody's hair needs protein. And I know there's some people that are protein sensitive. So if this is too harsh, I mean, obviously don't use it. But for people like me, my hair loves protein. So I like to use this stuff. So this is this is what it looks like. Also, if you decide to take this route, if it's even going to work, you'll see in this video, and put it like in an applicator bottle. After you're done, I would pour whatever's left back into the bottle and close it tight, because this stuff dries up and it'll get sticky, and so you don't want an opening on the top of it. So I'm gonna start with the back. Oh, did I say already? I think I did. I think I started saying it several times. This stuff is very messy. So right now I'm sitting on top of my bed, and that's not ideal. I just don't like filming in my bathroom. That's the ideal place to do this. I don't feel like bringing my camera and my light and everything in there, so I'm just going to do it where I normally film my videos at. And I just have a towel and everything. let's see what else. Like some else. Oh, another thing, some people use gloves because this stuff may, I mean, it's not like perm or anything or relaxer, don't get me wrong or anything like that, but if you have like really sensitive skin, like I do have eczema even on my hands, you might want to use gloves. I'm just not going to use gloves this time, so I just don't feel like going to go get them, but you might want to consider that. Another thing they say on the instructions to comb this through, it does not comb very well, so I would just try to distribute it evenly. I mean, you can comb it, but I mean, just like, I just can't stress enough, this doesn't feel like conditioner or anything like that. It's just, it's liquid. Let me shake that up a little bit more actually. Definitely pay attention to the ends of your hair. And I might be using more than what's necessary, but I just want to make sure I have it everywhere. Also, I've had this protein and I keep this in my house, but I will admit that I have not been using it as much as I probably should. Definitely, it's been way past 6 weeks. It's been months. Actually, to be honest, I haven't done a protein treatment in 2020. And so it was long overdue. But oh, what I was gonna say was, I don't know if you have seen some of my other videos, and I always complain like when I'm doing a wash and go or something, there's these pieces with really loose curls like right about here, and it's not heat damage, because my hair has not been, I mean, I haven't used heat. It was prior to when I blow dried, so it wasn't the blow drying that caused the heat damage, and I haven't had my hair flat iron in probably at least 3 years, maybe more. So if it was heat damage, it would be further down on my head by now. So it's not that. I don't know if maybe it's just the texture, but I'm just a different texture in those spots. But I'm just curious to see if this will tighten up that part of my hair. So as you can see it's not separating good. This is not anything you're going to be detangling your hair with or anything like that. And it actually kind of foams up a little bit too. I think I got this piece enough. So I'm just going to continue the same process on the rest of my head, and then just let it dry. I'm probably going to, I like faster results, so I am going to sit under a hooded dryer to make it get hard and crispy faster, and then I'll rinse it out and follow up with the conditioner. Okay, so I finished applying the protein treatment to my hair, and now, like I said, I'm just going to let it sit and dry till it gets absolutely hard. And honestly, like I said, it's been months since I used this, so I don't even remember how long it takes. But I don't know. Maybe it might even take, maybe like, I don't know, maybe like 20 minutes, 30 minutes or something like that with the dryer. So I'm just going to go do that, and then after that, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like when it's hard as well. And then I'll rinse it out and then follow up with the conditioner. Sorry, I just had to come back and show you guys what I mean. I don't want to manipulate too much. What I mean is stiff and hard. This is what I'm talking about. If you've never done, look at this, I can't even pull up. You're really not supposed to be doing this, but I just wanted to show you guys. Look how stiff it is. So, like I said, don't manipulate it just like they tell you in the instructions. Just leave it alone because it's too hard to be messing with. Okay, so I let the conditioner sit in my hair. I actually didn't sit under the dryer because it's just too hot and I didn't want to be bothered with it. But I don't think I showed it to you guys. This is what the bottle looks like. This is 16 ounces. It lasts pretty long. It's called Balancing Moisturizer. And it says it infuses moisture, improves manageability, softens, and shine. And one thing I do want to comment about on this, I use this just because it's what they recommended as part of the 2-step treatment. This is not the most moisturizing shampoo ever. It's actually not even close. For the most part, I believe Aphogee products are pretty good, but this one does not satisfy me as far as moisture, and there's definitely not any slip. And my hair actually was really super hard to detangle. And the good part about it though is since I did the protein treatment, although it was really hard to detangle and it took me a really long time, there was hardly no strands of hair in my comb, which is rare when my hair is like real kinky and knotted up. So I think going forward, I actually have another bottle of this, and I'm going to keep using it because I don't want to waste my money. But going forward, I'm going to start using my own moisturizing conditioner, or either I'll use this and then follow up with another conditioner. And the other reason why I like to use what they recommend is because their products are pH optimized, and I'm just kind of thinking maybe with all that protein you need to have some pH optimization or something, you know. I don't know, but I just like to keep it in the same product line. But like I said, this is not that moisturizing, so I probably will start using something else when I do these treatments. And did I say that there was hardly no hair in the comb? My hair wasn't doing too bad, but I kind of had a couple little setbacks, and plus I used some really horrible products. Go check out my video on the Kaleidoscope hair product line. So that to me kind of messed my hair up, and I kind of want to just get it back in shape. So this is what my hair looks like now after the treatment. There's nothing really extra, and since I twisted it up, you can't like really see a curl pattern or anything like that. It is really bouncy like that, which is good because I like my hair to bounce back versus being some mushy gummy, dang, I'm sweating, mushy gummy hair that doesn't have any kind of bounce to it or anything. So now I'm gonna check out those pieces that I always complain about being straight, and I don't know if it's my imagination. I mean, they're still, you can see this is like bigger waves than the rest of my hair. It's still bigger, but to me, it looks actually a little bit more defined. I don't know, it might be my imagination. You know, I just like to be real hopeful and everything. But yeah, it looks like it's a little bit more defined right there. I don't know, I'll see whenever I do a wash and go what it looks like. But so my hair, it feels like really super strong, and I just feel like my hair is in really good condition now. So I'm happy. The Aphogee protein treatments never fail me anyway. So I hope this video helped for those of you who have never tried this. I know a lot of people have been using it for years. And one thing I do want to go back and make another complaint about a conditioner. Just again, this Aphogee, a lot of black people use especially the protein treatments. And I just want to let you know, it's not a black owned company, although a lot of times when I go in beauty supply stores, I don't know, but it's, so I just want to say that to me, when I use like products that are not made by black people, what they call moisturizing is not moisturizing enough for me. And so I just wanted to kind of put that out there. It's okay, but it's not that great, and there's definitely there's not any slip whatsoever in this. So yeah, so that's my video. This is what my hair looks like after protein treatment. It feels really good. Hardly no hairs in the comb as I was detangling, and I did a lot of detangling. It took me a long time. I didn't lose hardly anything, so I'm really happy. So if you like this video, thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. And also for those who have really been following me, if you guys have any suggestions on like some products you want me to review, just let me know. Just drop it in the comments, and I'll try to see if I can get my hands on them and give it a shot. I'm a product junkie. I'll admit it. I have no shame to my game, so I love trying new stuff. And also, especially if there's some black owned products is what I'm really looking for. Let me know who they are so I can put it on my list of products that I want to try. I'll see you in the next video.